Before I turn the lights out, tell me.
Hi friends, do you want to create it? Then follow few steps. Come, let's start. You can see it is trending in Instagram now. It makes you viral. First, download VPN from Play Store or App Store and connect it. Connect to VPN because Capcut will not work in India. Don't forget to subscribe Trendy at its YouTube channel. Next, open Google. Search for Capcut template. Open first link. Scroll down. Now select iOS 16 features Capcut template. Scroll down. Click on Use Template on Capcut. Wait until it opens. And watch the video till the end. Next steps are much important. Click on Use Template and wait. Select your best photo to edit. Click on Preview and wait, your video will be edited. Your video will be edited. Export it now without watermark. Wait till end, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was useful to you, do like, comment,